In this video, I'll show you how to install apps on your iPhone 15. Could be the 15, the 15 Pro, Pro Max, and even the Plus model. So how to do this? It's very easy. Turn on your iPhone and you need to go on the App Store, this icon over here. Tap on it. And the first time you're going to open the App Store, you're going to get this screen over here. Just press continue, then allow. And now we have access to the App Store. And there's many apps, there's hundreds, thousands of apps. To browse the apps, you have multiple choices. You can press today and you'll have some suggested app. You can go in games over here and only games will be presented to you. You can go in apps and this time it's apps that are not games. And you can browse this way as well. You can press see all if you want to explore apps of a certain category. And also you have search, and I guess this is what most people will use. By pressing search, you can type the exact app you want to download. Let's say I want Facebook. I just need to type Facebook and press search, and the results will appear right under here. So here we go, this is Facebook. If you want to get an app, to download it, you need to press the get button. But you can also press the name of the app, and this way you get more information about the app before downloading it. You can browse some pictures over here and even check some reviews. Once you're ready to download, you need to press the get button. It will ask you to confirm if you want to download this app. By the way, you need to be logged in into your Apple ID to make this work, because if you don't have an Apple ID, you won't be able to download any apps. So I'll press install here, and it will ask you, especially the first time you're using the App Store, to log in into your Apple ID. After that, you'll be able to purchase apps simply by using Face ID, and you won't have to manually type your password every time. So I'll go ahead and type my password. Okay, the password is typed. I'll press sign in and I'll get a small confirmation that everything is fine. Then you'll get this screen. Since it's the first time you're using this App Store, press review. You have to confirm your country over here and agree to the terms and conditions by pressing this small thing over here until it's green. Then press next. They'll ask you to input your credit card, your PayPal account, or if you want to not give them any of these payment options, just select none. Then make sure that your billing name is fine over here. You'll need to have a billing address as well. And you see, I tried to not put any billing address and they actually force you input one. So I'll go ahead and put an address. Okay, I typed an address, then I'll press next. And you'll have the confirmation over here, Apple ID completed. Just press continue. You'll get back to the App Store. And this time, if I press get and install, and I'll have to do it again, give your password for your Apple ID, press sign in. And this time it will work and they won't ask you to complete what we just did. And here we have the progression bar. By the way, you can exit the App Store and use your phone the way you want. The app will download itself in the background. You don't have to stay on the App Store. And you can already see over here your app being downloaded. It says loading under it since it's not completed. And when it will be done, you'll see the app logo over here that you can just press and use it. To delete this app, you just have to keep press on it, see remove app, click on it, click delete app, and then click delete. The app that you just downloaded is now removed. So I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.